Okay. So good morning to all. Up to last 2 or 3 months, so we are discussing physical world, motion in a one dimension, motion in a two dimension, laws of motion, work, energy, power. So these are the complete one track. Okay. So now this is a one more chapter and a different track. So it is entirely new for you, and you already learned in class 9th some basic idea you have, but it is very interesting also. In our day-to life, it is maximum, it is applicable all the areas. Okay, it is related to our health. So that is the gravitation. So before starting the class, what are the things you know about gravity? You can tell me more. Any 1 or 2 points. Gravity. Throw the chat box or unmute yourself. Kindly interact with me. Whether it is right or wrong, there is no problem. Why you are saying wrong? Like that no one asked. Okay, try to interact with me. What is gravity? Any formulas, any values? Yeah, gravity one movie also there. Hollywood movie. Anything related to gravity? Pranav Raj. Yeah, Naresh, very good. The force of attraction. Excellent. Yeah, I forgot to say. Congratulations to all, ma. So yesterday 10th result came, no? I saw maximum students score maximum marks. Very good. Naresh Sanmugam, 1 mark. 96.4%. That is you only, no? Naresh, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, congratulations, ma. And others also. Very good. Maximum you get good marks only. Whether it is below or maximum. Even more than 300 plus it is means okay, you are in capable, you are good. Okay. So up to 11th and 12th, try to improve your marks. Try to learn more things. So don't waste your time. Prepare yourself. You can focus on one particular area. So I am become an engineer. So engineer means which college you want to study, which course. So engineering, okay. After I will take triple E or EC or CS. Okay. Decide the course. After the decide the course, decide the college. Whether it is in a city side or it is in the other state or NIT, IIT, which college is best. So like that you want to think. I need everyone for class 12th result. Okay, more than 95%. So like that, try yourself. It is very easy for you because in this year onwards, they are conducting two-time exam, term 1 exam and the term 2 exam. So term 1 exam 35 marks. It is based on MCQ. So MCQ method means it is easy for you, easy to score 35 out of 35. Even though in normal exam you are writing means here key purpose half mark, And SI unit purpose, half mark, half mark. Graph, arrow mark it is not mentioned, means half mark, half mark. Like that mark reducing part more than it is there. But now MCQ method. See, easy to score 35 marks and 15 mark practical. That practical also it is easy. So you can follow the teacher instruction. Not only my subject, I am saying all the subjects. Okay, 35 plus 15. $35 marks plus 15 marks for the first term. Easy to score 50 out of 50. Second term, 15 mark already in your hand. You are doing properly practical. You are doing properly means it is easy. Okay. So 65 marks in your hand. So remainder marks, that 35 marks it is no. In this 35 marks, you want to prepare properly, read and write properly means easy to score 30 marks. I am saying normal. So 95 plus, it is very easy. So based on your hard work and your interest, self-interest and self-control also important. You don't compare with yourself to others. Your friend scoring maximum mark, your friend scoring minimum mark, your friend enjoying the classes, he is not attending the classes. So like that you don't think yourself and think your future only. Okay. So the basic idea about gravitation. So gravitation means the values, the g value 9.8 meter per second square, acceleration due to gravity. So after that, what are the things that Newton's law of gravitation formula, F is equal to g m1 m2 divided by r square. So after that, you know about the Kepler's law. Next, Kepler's law, Newton's law of gravitation, acceleration due to gravity, that is g value. Any other than that? Related gravity and the mass and the density of air.
The universal law.
Universal law of gravitation, very good. Like limitations. Okay. So up to that it is okay. But in class 11th, we will discuss some different areas related to gravity. So gravitation, there is a 3 track. First track, acceleration due to gravity. Second one, gravitational potential and potential energy. Please note it, my everyone. Everyone start with a new page. This is chapter number 8. Third one, motion of satellite. Related PSLV, GSLV, how that rocket is launching. This and all we discuss. Motion of the satellites. Listen, the basic introduction about gravity. In AD, not BC, AD 498, the great scientist and mathematics Aryabhatta. Okay. So he's proposed one basic idea about Earth and planet. Okay, what is the basic idea means? The Earth, it is revolves around the sun. Earth is Earth revolves around the sun, and it is rotate its own axis also. That is the basic idea in AD. Listen. So this is sun. So this is the rotation path of orbit, path or orbit. So this is the Earth orbit. So Earth is rotating sun with own axis, and Earth also it is rotating. Okay, like that in AD 498 Aryabhatta proposed. So this is a one small key. So based on in this key, the maximum developments it is started. After the 1543, Nicholas Okay, so Nicholas, he proposed not only Earth, yeah, all the other planets also revolving around the Sun. Sun is the center. All other planets, 9 planets, it is there no. Now it is 8. Before it is 9. Okay, in Tamil they will say Navagragas. In 1543, Nicholas proposed all the planets moves around the Sun in the circular orbit. Like that. This is the first idea about uh, related to Earth and the planets. Sun and Earth also, Earth and the planets also. The basic idea about how it is rotating, whether it is rotating or not. And a funny word also that they will say, somebody said, Earth is, it is a round. No, no, there is no round. It is not a circle. It is a flat, like that. But actually, the shape of the Sun and the shape of the Earth and the other planet, it is not a proper circle. It is like a oval shape. That a path is a oval shape, and it is a it is not accurately a circle. Some changes it is there. I will tell you after. Okay, listen. Kepler's law of planetary motion. So there is 3 laws. The first law of orbit. Second one, law of area. Third one, law of periods. First we will discuss law of orbit. So based on Kepler's observation, the path Sun and planets it is no. The path Sun is a stationary one. Okay, other planets it is no. It is revolving around the Sun. What kind of path? Whether it is a circular path or it is a elliptical or linear, or it is a oval. So different ideas. He observed many times different planets. It took more than several years. After get an idea, the path, it is the elliptical orbit. So each planet revolves around the sun in an elliptical path. So that is the first law of orbit. Orbit means the rotation path only we are saying orbit. It is not a chocolate, ma. So next one, the law of area. So I want to draw one small diagram. Then only you can understand. Just to consider, this is sun. So based on first law, it is the elliptical path. Okay, imagine it is the elliptical path. So I will mark 2 points. That is A. This is B. From the sun center point, in this point, this is A, and this is okay. This is A S B. A S B. So I will mark. For example, this is the left hand side. No. This is right hand side. This is left hand side. Okay, now again I will mark one more place. This is C B. So now ASP, it is equal to CSD. Now you want to understand what is ASP. The area of ASP, in this area it is no. In this area equal to CSD. Both the area it is equal. For example, this is 10 means this is also 10. Area it is equal. In case, listen, one planet it is, for example, this is our Earth. The starting point A. So A to B, it's a very small distance, no? Around it will come approximately, I am saying, no? Around it is coming 100 kilometers. But C to D, it is around 1000 kilometers. So what happened in this A to B, our Earth it is moving very fast. It is moving very slow because it is 100 meter. It is going very slow. So only some days it is that sunrise and sunset timing it is no. Nowadays in the evening 7 o'clock, up to 7 o'clock, you can see outside it is a very bright. Sometimes after month of January after, I think so. Before it is possible. Even though 5:30 onwards, you feel very dark because A to B. So in this speed it is it is going very slowly. But what happened C to D? It is a 1000 kilometers, no. So 1000 kilometers means what happened? It will go very fast. So here very slow, but in this side very fast. So away from sun, the speed is very slow. Nearby sun, the speed is very high. Nearby sun. Length CD is greater. Second one, away from the sun, the velocity decreases. Approaches the sun, the velocity increases. Away from sun, away from sun, its velocity decreases. Approaches, that is a nearby. Approaches the sun, its velocity increases. Okay, so first law, the path is elliptical path. Second law, the both area ASD and CSD, both also it is equal. So next one, the law of period. Listen, in this time also equal now. A to B, velocity it is decreases. C to D, velocity increases. But what is the time? So everywhere the 24 hours only no. So 24 hours it is common. And here also 365 days, 0.25. It is also common. So time also it is same. A to B and C to D. The reaching time it is same. But what is the difference mean? The velocity only it is different. But area it is equal. Time and area it is equal. Only one thing is different, that is the velocity. Nearby the sun, the velocity is increases. Away from the sun, the velocity is decreases. You can remember in these points. Did you understand? Shall we go for third law? Hello? Okay. So third one, law of periods. Okay, listen here. T square directly proportional to R cube. So T square means the square of the period, time period it is no? T means time period. No? The square of the time period of any planet, any planet about the sun is proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis. Cube of the semi-major axis of the elliptical path. Semi-major axis means, listen, same diagram for in this corner to in this corner. Major axis. Okay, this one definition I will show you one more PDF, then you will get some idea. Just a minute. So Kepler's law of planetary motion. The first one, law of orbit. All planets revolves around the sun in elliptical orbit, with the sun lying at one of the foci of the elliptical orbit. That is the foci means focus. So second one, law of area. The radius vector from the sun to the planets without equal area in equal interval of time. We said no that yes, here they mention P1, P2, P3, P4, no? But we mention as a ABC. Okay, it is easy for you can follow, no problem. So next one, the aerial velocity means the area sweep up per unit time. It is called as aerial velocity. Del A divided by del T. Del A, it is a L divided by 2m equal to L divided by 2m. L means angular momentum. So R cross P. P means momentum. The relationship between angular momentum and linear momentum formula. So P formula, mass into velocity. Now you will get R into mv into sin theta divided by 2m. Just note down the formula. So L, it is the angular momentum. P, it is a linear momentum. M, mass of the object. V, velocity. A, area. T, time. Theta is the angle. The V is inversely proportional to R. So V is maximum means R value is minimum. R value is minimum means V also maximum. It is inversely proportional. Okay, listen now. The square of the planet's time period of revolution T is directly proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis. So semi-major axis means half, that midpoint is an R value. So T square directly proportional to R cube. Then T equal to directly proportional R power 3 by 2. So this is the comparison between the two planets. T1 square divided by T2 square equal to R1 cube divided by R2 cube. Comparing for the two planets. So this is the bigger size of the ellipse, more will be the time period of the planets. Take a notes now. Listen. So this is the key point. The first one, the Kepler's law of planetary motion are empirical in nature. Please note it. After three laws, this is the key point. The first one, it is the empirical in nature. So what is the empirical law means? It is derived from experimental data. So experimental data means it is we cannot say 100% it is applicable for all the planets. It is applicable for some planets only. So empirical in nature. So based on that, the Mercury it is no, the Mercury path it is not accurately, it is elliptical. It is a circular path. That is the second point. Mercury it is circular orbit. That is the second point. Third point, the period of revolution of a planet around the sun is called the period of revolution of a planet around the sun is called natural years. So natural year of the planet. The period of revolution of the planet around the sun is called the natural year. This is the third point. Okay. So now you get idea about gravitation. The first one, the Kepler's law of gravitation and the introduction part. Okay. Yeah, this one also please take a note. The conservation of angular momentum leads to the Kepler's second law of planetary motion. So Kepler's second law of planetary motion, that is the area oriented formula. Next point. Please take a notes. First law completed, second law completed, third law also completed. Na? And I said three key points. Please take a notes. Okay. Thank you so much. Again, we'll meet next class. Take care. Bye.
The support,